In this video, I'm going to show you how to create two columns in Microsoft Word. In our example, we have one page of text and we want to format it into two columns. Click the Page Layout tab, then click Columns. This is where the menu of column options appears. For the classic side-by-side layout, choose option 2. In addition, Word offers 3 column layouts, left and right alignment options, and even allows you to set a custom number of columns as desired. In our example, we'll select 2 columns. By default, columns are applied to all pages in the document. If that's what we want, we can simply click on 2, and the text will be divided into 2 columns throughout the document. If we want 2 columns only on a specific page or just for part of the text, we select the text we want to divide and repeat the same procedure. And that's how you can create 2 columns in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.